fun.
What?
Oh. We're already getting started off like this?
She said, I'm okay.
Oh, the cool.
Oh, that's not so.
Whoa.
Yeah, rotate a little bit.
Oh, hell. Oh, no. Oh, I don't want to go home. Oh, don't lick it.
Whoa.
Oh, that is cold. That is cold. Oh, that's cold.
Good, Sissy? Okay, Rox, pick up your feet.
That is cold. Oh, my back is soaked.
Why do we choose this one?
Oh,
Whoa.
I did not.
Oh.
Oh, my God.
Oh.
There it goes again. My back. It is cold.
Whoa. Oh, that's cold.
Oh, my shit. That tastes nasty.
Don't taste it.
It went in my mouth.
Close your mouth.
No. Oh, no. Oh.
Whoa. Woo.
Oh my gosh.
There's a lot of water in here. What did they say? Get ready to get more soap.
Oh, that is cold. Oh, no, don't twist. Don't twist. No! Oh, yeah. Twist.
Oh. Oh my God. Woo. Woo.
I think I survived this better than all of you. Okay, I'm good, I'm good. Oh no, look at there's a dead.
Oh.
Oh no. Oh,
yeah.
perfect.
No, please, keep on twisting. Keep on twisting. Keep on twisting. Keep on twisting.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, it's cold.
Oh, ow. Right there. Hey, keep your hands in. No, it gets crushed on something.
I would have gone on
Don't get it.
All of this again?
Yeah, that was fun.
Did you guys try out for the end of the day?
Yeah, that was fun.
Right before we got up, you could like leave the face. And I thought it was right.
Whoa.
My foot.
You made it.
Welcome back, everybody.
Right, do not step down. Line.
This direction, right here where I'm at.
Go ahead.
Don't go that way.
Right on, yeah.
Stand on the seat.
Go this way.
Okay, it's okay.
One more.
All right.